Reporting live from the deck. Someone playing the war horn like it's karaoke night at Valhalla. Live from the city of Troy, they've just claimed the winner's trophy.
Let's park it inside. Take the hill!
Oh no! I told them to bake a grill!
Do you believe in Darwin's theory?
Only if it explains my ex-driving.
Part 1. VPN. Yes, you'll need a VPN to access Google Veo 3 if you're outside the US. You can use any VPN you like, but just a heads up, I personally don't trust most VPN providers, especially the free ones. If you're using a free VPN, don't use your main Gmail or any account linked to payments. Instead, use a backup Gmail account just to be safe. Using a trusted paid VPN is generally a safer option. For example, Opera offers a premium VPN with a 7-day free trial just by using the Opera browser. Now this video is just for demonstration, so I'll be using a free VPN and a backup Gmail account. Do this at your own risk. And here's how you can get a free VPN on Google Chrome. Click the Options button to open the Chrome menu. Go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Next, open the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Free VPN. Pick one with good reviews and click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, click the extension icon in the top right toolbar. Select the VPN, choose a country, and click Turn On. Part 2. Google Veo 3. After logging into your Gmail account, go to the Veo page on Google DeepMind. You can find the link in this video's description. Click Try in Gemini to continue. From the Gemini main page, click the Upgrade button. You'll be offered a 1-month free trial to access all premium features, including Google Veo 3. You can cancel anytime. Once the upgrade is done, you'll see that the video button is now powered by Veo 3. Now, let's give it a try.
Part 3. Prompting Guide. To generate a video with Veo 3, simply click the video button and type your prompt. You can also add voice to your video by explaining it in your prompt. For example, in this video, I want to generate a scene where a reporter is reporting live from a battlefield, so let's describe the scene in detail. Then, tell Veo 3 what the character in the video should say. Watch this prompt example. Once everything looks good, click the Generate button to start creating your Veo 3 video. And here is the result from that prompt.
Reporting live, dodging spears, flaming arrows, and one very angry guy in a toga yelling about taxes.
Google Veo 3 is a smart AI that can understand your prompt, even if it's not perfect. All you need is creativity to make cool videos. Let AI help you with the prompting. To create better prompts, use Google Gemini or ChatGPT to help. Just describe your idea and ask it to generate a video prompt based on your concept. Once the prompt is ready, simply copy it and use it to generate a Veo 3 video. And that's it. You don't need to be a prompt guru to generate AI videos. Cool ideas and AI chatbots are all you need.
Thank you for watching this Google Veo 3 tutorial video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.